Prem, she's wearing double denim. She's wearing double denim. Oh, Prem Dhillon. I wasn't gonna do this song. But then I just did a video on Punjabi food in India and I got up and it said Sidhu notification, 5 minutes, Prem Dhillon, new song. Prem Dhillon, JATT HUNDE, and I thought, you know, I can't deny it. He did old school with Sidhu. Prem Dhillon, you've got stuff to show. I can't hide behind it. I want to know what it's like. Don't care if there's no English captions or subtitles. Let's just go. If you didn't know, we're nearly 100,000 thanks to you. Got his own merchandise. Check it out. Follow us on everything, blah blah blah. Let's go. I'm reading through the comments. Everyone seems to really like this song so far. Someone even put rest in peace Amrit Man's mother. Didn't know if that's happened recently. I lost my mum a couple of years ago, so it can't be easy for that Amrit Man. But come on, 6 minutes. It's got 70,000 views. I gotta dive in. I need to stop blabbering on. My ears are all that matters right now. Let's pump it up. Let's pump up the volume. Pump up the jam. Sidhu Musiala presents GTA vibes. You know what I mean? JATT HUNDE. Oh, all these boys look nice. All these boys look like nice guys so far. My neighbours can hear this. Imagine having a G-Wagon with a snake outside. How proud are all these guys of being Jats? They always reference Jats. I don't know if I could trust a chick with a tattoo like that down her arm. There's too much. There's secrets in that arm. There's secrets in that tattoo, man. You need to watch yourself. Oi. You need to watch out for Prem Dhillon. She's saying, you need to watch out for this bad man. He's got a Glock in his back pocket and he's just jumped out of G-Wagon. What else can you say? I appreciate this guy's singing capability as well as rap. I love the way they're editing these people in. Man. Prem. She's wearing double denim. She's already got that tattoo, which we don't know what's going on. She's wearing double denim. Stay away from this chick, man. But look how many followers he's got. Can I get a picture from my Instagram? This video's gotta be sponsored by Ralph Lauren. I bet a friend feels well left out. You know what, Prem? If you want to risk it for a girl like that, it's fine. It's fine. She's risking it with you, man. You've got a Glock in your pocket in the G-Wagon, so it's up to you, man. You're dangerous for each other, what can I say? But yeah, nice song, big beat. Prem DHILLON every time. Everyone associated with Sidhu seems to be absolute banging tracks out every single time. Talking of Sidhu, do you know when his new song is dropping? Do you know when the new song is dropping? Tell me in the comments so me and Ben are ready, because we'll film that together ASAP for the 100,000 subscriber special Ali. But either way, for now, stay safe. I'm going to upload this right now for you. Check it out, stay safe, let me know where you are. Check out my other vids, you know, the Punjab street food thing. It's coming up pretty soon. See you later.